Okay, so as you can see, as I connect the circuit and complete it, the light is going to slowly light up. As the capacitor begins to charge, it becomes less like a wire and more like a switch. And then once I disconnect the circuit and the capacitor begins to discharge again, the light is going to slowly turn back off and go from on to off as the capacitor becomes more like a wire again. And this is just a close-up view of what was happening earlier. You can see I'm going to connect the wire to give the light a chance to slowly light up, and then disconnect it to give it a chance to slowly turn back off again. Okay, so what's up on the screen now is the same circuit just drawn out that was on the whiteboard earlier. So what you can see is that it starts out with an open switch in the capacitor and the light bulb. And so what we're going to do is we're going to close that switch or connect the wires together so that the battery starts to give current to the circuit. So initially, all of the current is going to go over to the capacitor because it's like a wire, and the light bulb is going to start off because it's going to get none of the current. However, as the capacitor begins to charge, the light bulb is going to get some more and more of the current, and it's going to light up a little bit more and more. Eventually, the capacitor is going to become like an open switch, and it's going to not function as part of the circuit, and the light bulb is going to be all the way on. Then, once this happens, after a long period of time, we're going to open the circuit again, and the capacitor is going to begin to discharge, and the light bulb is going to slowly begin to dim more and more and start to go back to all the way off as the capacitor has less and less voltage through it, less and less current through it.